over and curl them up and curl them down.
So you said there were hadrosaurs living alongside these more dinosaurs. And since they live in the same environment, they're going to undergo the same changes in environment. The sea level goes up and they get isolated on the little island. They have the hadrosaurs right along with the more dinosaurs, right?
That's right.
And then when it goes back down, they get to spread out into a larger area again, do
Right.
the same thing. So my question is, do you see a lot of radiation amongst the hadrosaurs?
Yes. The hadrosaurs are a parallel story to this. So there are two groups of horned dinosaurs, the Caspasaurians and Centrosaurians, and they diversify through time. There are two groups of hadrosaurs, the crested and the non-crested, and they diversify through time as well. At the same, we just get instants, here and there. We have to extrapolate between. But it's really what we think is going on with hadrosaurs as well. The crest on Parasaurolophus,
Yeah.
sure, it would have made it sound a little bit different, maybe. But real sound doesn't come from the shape of your nose. It comes from the resonating chamber, which is your body. So Parasaurolophus is not going to bellow significantly different than Gripposaurus. People have suggested that's a big trombone, so they're going to sound different. Right. So there's actually shape changes in Parasaurolophus through time. Some of them get really long, some of them just curl over, and all of those are found in one place. All of the long ones are found in one place. So we think that possibly selection is going on with these guys as well. And closely related to Parasaurolophus, there are guys that just have crests. So all these guys are diversifying on this island continent in the same way. And we really think that, there are these four different groups that basically have a body plan that does something different. So we tend to think that Centrosaurians are going after a different food type than Caspasaurians. There's almost always one Caspasaurian, one Centrosaurian, one crested Lambeosaurian dinosaur, and one non-crested hadrosaurian at the same point, anytime throughout the western interior. And then as you go north, they're going to be different. As you go younger, they're going to be different. So they change through time, and they change through space. So different species in the south versus the north at the same exact time. We have volcanic ashes that bracket these things, and the ranges overlap. So I can say with confidence that the dinosaurs that are living in Utah, absolutely the same time as the dinosaurs living in Canada, but different. So if that answers your question.
So I think we need to have questions there. Let's thank Dr. Lowell one more time. So tomorrow night we have our last talk in our lecture series on the philosophical views of science and biology. Be here at the same time, 6:30. Outside there are Darwin Week merchandise for sale through the Humanists of Utah. And if you don't mind, if you haven't already taken our survey, please give us some feedback on how these talks are going, what you liked or didn't like, and what you'd like to see if we do this next year. Those are outside on the benches. Thanks everybody for coming.